Hello everyone. What if I tell you that every bridge, every metro system, every factory machine, and even every streetlight is actually money? Assets are not just physical structures, they are financial resources that determine whether organizations save millions or lose millions. The way these assets are managed directly impacts financial performance. ISO 55001, the international standard for asset management, gives organizations the power to transform their assets into money-making engines. Today, we will explore how ISO 55001 provides a financial edge, why neglecting assets drains money, and how smart organizations are using this standard to grow stronger financially. Assets as financial resources. Traditionally, organizations saw assets as cost to maintain. But the modern view is very different. Assets are financial capital that generate value. An aircraft, for example, is not just equipment. It is the company's cash flow engine. Every hour it flies, money is made. Every hour it is grounded, money is lost. The same is true for power plants, pipelines, metro trains, or hospital equipment. Managed poorly, they drain finances. Managed well, they generate wealth. ISO 55001 helps organizations shift to this financial mindset. The financial risk of poor asset management. Poor asset management is like leaving money leaking through cracks in your balance sheet. Infrastructure failures don't just cause inconvenience, they cause massive financial losses. The Texas power grid failure in 2021 cost billions of dollars in damages and compensation. Pipeline leaks often bring not just repair cost, but environmental fines and reputational damage. In metro rail projects, emergency repairs often double cost compared to planned maintenance. Each of these failures shows the same pattern: neglect assets and you pay financially. Now, how ISO 55001 creates a financial edge? ISO 55001 offers a structured way to turn assets into financial advantage. It focuses on 4 key areas: life cycle, costing. Instead of looking at only the purchase price, ISO 55001 requires considering maintenance, operation, and disposal cost. A pump that is cheap today may turn out more expensive over its lifetime than a slightly higher cost, durable pump. This life cycle view prevents hidden cost. Optimized maintenance is equals to cost savings. Preventive maintenance is far cheaper than reactive repairs. Utilities and transport companies that follow ISO 55001 often save millions by replacing worn-out parts before they cause system-wide breakdowns. Risk-based decision-making. ISO 55001 makes risk visible in financial terms. For example, replacing a bridge slightly earlier may seem costly, but it is far cheaper than rebuilding after a collapse. Risk-based decisions reduce catastrophic financial shocks. Return on investment. When assets are optimized, they deliver more uptime, more production, and more revenue. Ports that adopted ISO 55001 increased cargo branding capacity and saw a clear rise in profitability. Now let's talk about the future. Finance meets technology and ISO 55001. The financial role of assets will only grow as technology advances. With AI, IoT sensors, and digital twins, organizations can now connect asset performance directly to financial outcomes. Predictive analytics ensures that breakdowns and the financial losses they bring are prevented. Climate change is also forcing organizations to include resilience cost in financial planning. Investors today demand to know how companies manage infrastructure risk. In boardrooms, ISO 55001 is becoming a silent but powerful tool for financial decision-making. Building financial strength through asset management. Every breakdown is money lost. Every extended lifespan is money gained. Every efficient system is financial strength. By adopting 55001 ISO, organizations don't just gain operational efficiency, but they gain financial resilience. They can stretch budgets further, reduce emergency costs, and create confidence among investors, regulators, and the public. The truth is clear now. Assets are money. They represent investment, they drive revenue, and they hold the key to long-term financial stability. ISO 55001 is the framework that unlocks this potential. The companies and governments that adopt it are not just protecting infrastructure, they are protecting financial futures. The question isn't whether ISO 55001 adds value. The real question is whether your organization can afford to keep losing money by ignoring it. When you see a metro running smoothly, a water supply without leaks, or a power plant with zero downtime, remember, ISO 55001 may be working silently behind the scenes, turning assets into financial spell, because in today's world, assets is equals to money. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.